Welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Eric and this is
Candace.
And today we're building a
duck coop.
All right. If you guys been following along at all, you know we've had some predator issues with our ducks and our chickens lately. So we're starting to build them a proper duck coop. All right, guys. Candace is going to start building. Let's go. Basically, I have no plans. I'm going to make this up completely from scratch. So this is not a how-to video, but I'll let you guys follow along and see how I make it. I'm going to start with a pallet. I know it's pretty crazy, right? But we're actually going to put some runners on both sides and then a floor in it and then build up from there. I'm just going to put a small cut on both sides of this 2x6 so it'll act as like almost like a sled, like a ski. So I'm just going up 2 inches on my board here and I'm going over 5 and I'm just connecting the dots. It doesn't have to be precise at all, we'll just cut that right there. Same thing on the other side. 5 and 2 is what I'm going with today. There we go. Something real cheesy like this with these runners, I just kind of line my boards up. I didn't even hit my mark very well, but I really don't care. I'm just trying to put a quick edge on there so now I can saw my other board. Ooh, the awesome chalk line. Got it? Tight? Yep. Okay, so zoom in right here. Got her? No. We're off. Ready?
Let it drop down.
Loud noise. Need the little screws that got in the truck.
Hungry, hungry, let's go. Feeding him screws like he's chopping them down like the hungry, hungry hippo game.
Yeah.
Measure twice, cut once.
Disclaimer, I am nowhere near any type of construction worker, so I am sure I am doing something completely bass-ackwards.
But you're so cute doing it.
Now she's sucking up.
Oh, look at, he even wrote a number on there. 45. Called pre-screw. Is that the technical name?
Yeah.
Okay, friends. What shape did we make?
A triangle!
You fail. Okay, and now for the death-defying act. Driving the truck through the flaming square of fire.
What?
What are you looking for?
My pencil.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, here, you do this while I'm doing this.
you do this while I do this.
Yeah.
What am I doing? What's this?
You're gonna screw this guy down.
I am?
Yep. So, alright, where I put the X, drill a hole, and put a screw.
Oh. Like that?
Yeah, now come
Did I go too far?
No.
I went in the hole.
Yeah, good job. Now, Sophie, go. Well, let her get this.
Okay.
You just got a new homesteading skill today.
Yes!
Candace just leveled up today. She's now a level 2 carpenter.
I can drive a screw.
You can screw.
And I can, okay, so I could have done this a long time ago, but Eric didn't show me how to change the bit correctly.
I did too.
Thought you had to rip your hand off to change it. All right, here we go. Ha! All right, that one didn't go down as far as the other ones.
That's fine.
Okay.
If it's in, it's in. Oh well.
What happened?
You're alright, just get straight up on your thing. You got it off.
It's crooked. Do I gotta pull it back out?
No.
What are you filming?
The screw.
Oh. I can't see what I'm doing with the ball in the way. I made a wall.
I made the wall, you screwed it down.
I attached the wall. What am I doing now?
Give me that other 4-foot 2-by right there.
This one?
I'm 4'2" and a half.
Look at this fight, what do you know? You need your sawhorses closer?
Sawhorses.
Yeah, that's what these are called. Am I holding this?
Yeah, both. So basically, trying to cut this 2-by so it fits in like a rafter. And I'm gonna do 2, possibly 3 of these. I'm trying to just use the structure shelf. Why is that up so high? To get my angles. Like that. So we're gonna cut that out. Cut that out right there. Okay, scalpel up.
What's the scalpel?
Huh?
What's the scalpel?
The saw. Okay, this probably won't work. Okay, I'll live with it. I need
Alright.
some screws.
Which one?
Probably the shorts. Well, here's Candace working finally with the gender neutral cordless drill. And once she figured out how to use it, I can't get it out of her hands. Those right there are chore flip-flops.
Yeah. No, actually, those are my good ones.
Oh,
I don't know why I'm wearing them.
those are your dress flip-flops.
Yeah.
Mike and Chelsea said the same thing the other day on their channel at Vision Acres.
Did they?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
She's well, I commented to him. They says, "Yep, Candace has got chore flip-flops and dress flip-flops."
That
She was
I do.
mucking a cow stall with
Well,
flip-flops on.
hey, what's the difference? You're gonna get it on you anyway.
That's pretty
You
much
might
what
as
she
well
said.
be
Yeah.
comfortable doing it.
Now Candace wants doors on her duck palace. So guess what I'm doing? Putting doors on the duck palace.
Gotta clean it out somehow.
You're only gonna open it about that far. But
That's fine. I don't need it to open any further than that. Chalk line.
Giving them a little
I can see that
shot.
panorama view.
And I'll open the doors that Dad put on. Go in, clean that shovel, put it in the slot that we used to clean out the stuff. Yeah,
And where's it go?
into the compost.
now she says she needs a duck door too.
Well, they gotta get in somehow.
You got a duck coop. It's got more doors than coops. So, you want to explain what we got going on here with the door?
Okay, well this is the front door. And on this end, we're gonna put in like an enclosed run. Nothing big, just something that I can put their food and water in. So they can access their food and water 24/7
Boom.
without getting taken by an owl.
We'll probably have weasels that burrow up from the bottom of the ground or something. Yahtzee.
Here it is, everybody. We finally got it done. Two ducks left, but hopefully this will prevent any more of that. We got the tin roof on the top to protect from the weather and hopefully not rot the roof.
Yep.
Eric made me a little surprise door here.
Yep.
And the kids are gonna paint it and we'll be all good to go.
We're getting an automatic door for the back side of the coop as well. So once we get that all done and in its final location or more permanent location, I'll show you guys that too. So thanks for hanging out with us. We really appreciate it, guys. You all have a good weekend, okay? We'll catch you on the next one. Looks like Soph's down here rolling some paint. Mama's cutting in. Somebody spray painted the roof yellow. Who?
Yellow.
Yellow, hello. Looks good, girls. Well, guys, here's the completed duck coop. We moved the pen into the backyard here. We got our electric netting up. I'm just recharging the battery right now in the barn on the Energizer. We got our duckers, our 4 leftover duckers here. Hi, ducks. Got a pool back there for them. Got a little pool over here for them. And then this is the coop. I call it the French fry, but I think the girls call it like, I don't know, McDucks or something. I don't know. It looks like on top it's painted yellow, and on the doors painted yellow. And when you look at here, let's look at the other side of it. It looks kind of like a French fry, like a box of French fries from McDonald's. It's kind of what it looks like to me. There. Does that not look like a box of fries? Anyways, yeah, that's about it. We're still waiting on our ladies first chicken door, our automatic chicken door for the back. It's still on back order. We're hoping to have it next week. I had some leftover guarding from a scrap machine at work, and I just kind of connected this to the coop, and this is going to be their little run. We're going to, right now, since we don't have the other automatic chicken door, we're going to just let them go in at night, and then we'll shut the door. And then they can at least get out and they get their food and water, and they've got shelter in there. It's all caged in. I've got some holes here. These were access points on the guarding, but I'm going to put some chicken wire over those. So that's it, guys. That's kind of the whole shebang all wrapped up here. Hope you guys like it. I thought I'd at least try to do a whole completed duck coop, duck move build